Hi everyone, how are you today? Welcome to my course SAP with Jimmy. So in this course, we are going to learn together about SAP MM Inventory Management. So in this module Inventory Management, we are going to learn how the inventory will be kept in our SAP system, then how the accounting entries will be posted if there is any goods movement. Okay, without further delay, let's us started. Before we truly start with the course, I would like to share with you all the courses that we are going to learn today. Okay, for the first point, we will understand more about the organizational structure and also valuation level in SAP Material Management. Then, in the second one, we are going to understand about MM and also finance posting period. SAP is integrated ERP solution. So whenever you do the goods movement, accounting entries will be recorded automatically by SAP. Then in the third point, we are going to discuss about the GR block stock and also block stock in SAP. Sounds similar, is it? But actually these two terminology is totally different. So a lot of questions related to this point, so we are going to learn together about this in the third point. Then in the fourth point, we are going to discuss how to extend the storage location. Of course, there are several ways, so we will go through one by one together. In the fifth point, we are going to talk about good issue processing. Of course, good issue processing also we can do the good issue with or without reservation. Then the next step is the transfer posting processes. Of course, there are two ways for us to perform transfer posting. The one is like using the standard movement type. Then the other one, we can always create stock transfer order. We will understand what is the difference in this course. Then the last one is the physical inventory processes. Of course, after that, we are going through the account determination and also the accounting entries in SAP. So first of all, before I started, I would like to share with you that we are going to do the demonstration using SAP IDES. SAP IDES itself is stand for Internet Demonstration and Evaluation System. So this system is demo application system developed by SAP, mainly used for learning and also training purpose. SAP IDES contains business process that provide an easy way for end user or consultants to get acquainted with SAP or gain mastery over the SAP ERP. So as you can see below, this is the end-to-end SAP Inventory Management organizational structure. Okay, at the highest level, we have client. Okay, as of now, we are using client 800. Of course, later on, when you work with SAP, you will be able to see several clients configured in your system. So for example, 100 for development client, then 400 for QAS client, and 800 for production client. So for this demonstration, I'm only use one client, which is 800. Okay. Then under this client, we have company code. Actually, this company code is the organizational unit in SAP, which is a complete and also self-contained set of accounts can be drawn up. Okay, so for example, if we have chart of account, set of GL accounts, we will do the configuration inside the company code level. Just below the company code, we have plan. Of course, this plan represents operational facility within a company code. For example, production facility, regional, or branch office. Plan data subdivides an enterprise from the viewpoints of production, procurement, maintenance, and materials planning. So as you can see in this picture, under company code 1000 Germany, we will have several plants, 1000 for Hamburg, then 1100 for Berlin. Okay, then inside the company code 2000 UK, we have several plants also configured, 2000 and also 2010 for London. Inside the plants, we have a storage location. Storage location represents the place whereby stock is physically kept within a plant. So under plant 1000, as you can see, we have storage location 0001 and 0002. Okay, Berlin also same, 0001 and 0002. Okay, so this is overall organization structure that we have in SAP Inventory Management. Okay, so now let us see the configuration that is configured under SAP I-ECC6. Okay, now we can log in. Then in the ticket here, we can open SPRO. Click this button. Let's see in the enterprise structure. Definition. Logistics General, Define Valuation Level. Okay, so as you can see here, in the configuration, we can see that the valuation area we are using now is at a plant level. Meaning to say, if there is any goods movement posted from one plant to another plant, of course there will be accounting entries generated because the valuation area at plant level. Okay. Of course, we have another options here whereby we are able to set the valuation level is company code. So we are able to set valuation level at company code level. But this one, we rarely do this. Normally, we set valuation area is at plant level. Just below valuation level, we are able to see the configuration for plant. If you click define plant, then you will be able to see all the plant that is configured already under this SAP IT system. So as you can see, right, we have several plants, and one of the plant that we are going to use is 1000. Now you are able to double click this plant, then you will be able to see all the parameters configured inside this plant, started from the name and also the address. Okay, inside this plant, there is also factory calendar. Factory calendar is must to run SAP. All the scheduling are calculated based on this factory calendar. We can define holidays for factory and assign it to the calendar. An example of SAP application that uses the factory calendar is the SAP MRP modules. Then to define the address, we can click this button. So this is the address. Okay, of course you can have an option to change the address. Then we go back. Okay, so as of now, we are able to see the valuation level and also we are able to see the plant. After that, we can go to material management and also we can go to the maintenance source location. After you click maintenance source location, then SAP will ask you to input the plant information. So now I want to see all the source location maintained for plant 1000. So as you can see, right, this is several source location that is created for plant 1000. Of course, if you click source location, then you can click address of source location. You will be able to maintain the address. So after we see the valuation level and also the plant's information, then we can come up from this configuration, then we can go to assignment, then we can go to logistics general, assign plant to company code. This is the configuration whereby we can assign our plants to certain company code. So as you can see, under this company code, there are several plants being assigned. So this plant 1000, 1100, 1200, 1300 is being assigned to this company code 1000. So as of now, we have learned how to view valuation level configuration in SAP, how to view plant and storage location configuration in SAP, then the last one, how to view configuration of plant assignment to company code in SAP. In the next lesson, we are going to learn together about MM and also finance posting period.